What's up, everybody? Just wanted to come on here real quick and give a shout out to both of my brothers because they killed it with the building this manifold, fabricating the manifold from scratch, downpipe and the dump tube for the wastegate. I think it came out crazy. It looks nice. Setting up that turbo right in the middle. I think it came out super clean. So we're just out here making a couple of changes. She looked promising, but unfortunately we had this charge pipe right here. This pipe come out when she was getting into boost, so, and then the other one, the fuse fucked up on us, so we're gonna try to get it out to the track before the season is over. But if we don't, guys, I mean, showing it to you guys right now because this thing is gonna change. It's gonna completely change. I got a lot of things motor wise. I think we're gonna keep her the same. We didn't really get to test her. She was feeling good, so we're just gonna keep the motor as is. Not gonna change anything, but we are gonna be changing. We're gonna be getting some rims because we kind of noticed we was getting a wheel spin. I don't have B-locks right now on my current setup, so. But yeah, we're gonna be buying all the kits for it, and I think she's gonna look a lot better. We also gonna get this one going here. I mean, we got everything that we need to get her back. We're gonna show her some love, get her back on the channel. Last pass she made was like a 10.5, I think it was. So 2026, man, we're gonna have a lot of fun. We also got the Yoda that's not here right now, so. But anyways, guys, man, I think this manifold came out crazy. Also, my brother with the younger one with the setup and the wiring, it came out super nice, man. Looks so clean compared to what it used to look like before. You could barely tell there's any wires, So everything looks so nice. You got the battery right here. CO2. That's another thing, guys. When we took it to the dyno, we didn't have the CO2 hooked up to it, so we ran a line from the turbo and a T to the wastegate so that we can use it without the CO2. So she was only on I think she was only like on 12, 13, maybe 14 pounds of boost, and with that we was able to get like 488, which is solid. And then when we got to the track, our tuner Mark, he started playing with the with the CO2 bottle or whatever, and she made some power. Second gear she jumped up to 32 pounds, leaving at like 18 pounds of boost. And yeah, she was rowdy, dude. She was on a path, she was on a mission. But we're gonna correct all those issues, and which we did. I need to get a clamp. I need to get those better clamps right there, which we're gonna get ready to order the Vibrance one. So, but yeah, guys, I'm just gonna try to start it up for you guys, so you guys can hear it one more time. We might hit the track one more time before this the season's over, before they close it. And if not, man, big changes coming for next year. So, and I'm excited for that. So let me see if I can get everything connected, and we'll turn it on for you. She's ready to go to the track right now. Oh, she smells so good. That Q16, bro. Yo, man, it's a simple setup, bro. Nothing crazy. I mean, I'm just happy how everything came on, man. My brother doing this, the Futech wiring from scratch, bro. Came out insane. That manifold right there, like I said, with that placement of the turbo. Whew. Everything just works perfect on this. So, I don't know. We might hit the track up one more time, like I said, before we close it. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video, just to shout out my brothers and stuff, because I think what they did was amazing. And it was unfortunate that we couldn't really have fun with it at the track. I mean, which I still did and felt the power a little bit, but it would have been nice if we could have made full pass, So, but that's all right. I'm not really sweating it. I know what we did works. So everything held together. A couple of issues we're going to fix, but other than that, man, she's going to be running some good numbers. So, all right, guys. That's going to do it for this video. Shout out to my brothers and stuff like that. I can't wait to see what we do with this thing. Also, this is going to be the one that we're going to start working on next. So I can't wait to see this one run too. Then we got the Toyota, and this one she's about done, but we are going to change her up big time, and you guys are going to see. So until the next one, guys, thank you for tuning in. So consider subscribing. I mean, we don't charge anything for that. So and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.